Do you want to know if this aerator is right for you, if it really works? Let's take a look at it, talk about its features, and then you can make your own decision. All right, here it is. I did a temporary setup to show you. I will say, just in case you're curious, it is physically substantially smaller than it looks in the post. Really easy to set up. Like I said, temporary setup in the pool. Only one thing to do, let's flip the switch and see how many bubbles it makes here in the pool. So you have a feel for what it'll do in your pond. The basics you need to know about it: it is 550 watts. It powers a 5.2 CFM pump, which is just amazing. You can aerate up to 3 acres, 50 feet down. Wild, just a wild number to say that. It's 3/4 horsepower. It's got 100 feet of hose with it. It comes with 2 diffusers in the particular configuration that I got it in. The air compressor is ridiculously quiet for what it is, and it obviously allows you to circulate oxygen through your pump and keep it helpful. I don't know if you can hear how quiet that is, but it's super quiet. The only thing going on is there's an air leak because I didn't do a full job of setting it up to aerate my pool for you. In the end, I gotta say, if they say this is good for a 3-acre pond, I believe them, because this is a ridiculous amount of aeration for my actually giant pool. This is a very large pool, and it is fully aerated now. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.